In a clear indication of the state of play on Tuesday in Maharashtra over who will head the new Mahayuti government, senior alliance partner BJP ruled out a Bihar model in the state as suggested by a few Shiv Sena leaders who have been pushing for their leader Eknath Shinde to return to the helm as chief minister. Now, asked about suggestions from the Sena camp that referred to Bihar, where NDA partner JDU's head Nitish Kumar is chief minister, BJP national spokesperson Prem Shukla told the Indian Express, and I quote, "The model applicable to Bihar does not hold true for Maharashtra. In Bihar, BJP had given a commitment to make Nitish Kumar the chief minister ahead of elections and honored it. In Maharashtra, there is no reason for such a commitment as we have a stronger organizational base and leadership. Above all, the party never gave any commitment of continuing with Shinde as chief minister after the elections. On the contrary, the top leadership maintained throughout the elections that a decision on the CM would be based on the electoral outcome." Now, Shukla's comments came on a day when Shinde resigned as chief minister of the previous government to mark the end of the 14th Assembly and was asked by Governor C.P. Radhakrishnan to take charge as the head of a caretaker administration till the new regime is sworn in. Now, given the decisive results with the BJP backing an overwhelming 132 seats, followed by Shiv Sena 57 seats and NCP 41 seats, it is learned that the BJP leadership in Delhi is not happy with the pressure tactics adopted by Shinde supporters to make him chief minister again. A senior BJP leader said the growing clamour among Sena leaders has not gone down well in Delhi. He said, and I quote, "The top leadership has categorically conveyed to Shinde and Ajit Pawar its decision to make Fadnavis the next chief minister. The BJP state legislature meeting is likely to be held in a couple of days in Mumbai, where the formal announcement will be made." The Delhi-based leader also indicated that the deadlock will be resolved soon in the BJP's favour and even pointed to the possibility of a joint legislative meeting where BJP, Shiv Sena and NCP will endorse the candidature of Fadnavis. Now, Shinde, meanwhile, sought to turn down the heat in a Monday night post on X, and he wrote, and I quote, "After the great victory of Mahayuti, our government will be formed once again in the state. As Mahayuti, we contested the election together and are still together today. Out of love for me, some people have appealed to all to gather in Mumbai. I'm deeply grateful for your love, but I appeal that no one should gather in my support in such a manner." For more updates, keep watching the Indian Express.